Okay, if we take a look at this one, it seems like everyone did get to the same correct answer. We know our starting concentrations of nitrogen and oxygen. We have no NO gas to start. 1 to 1 to 2 stoichiometry, so negative x, and 2x. Then 0.033 minus x, 0.00810 minus x, and 2x at equilibrium. So we set up our K sub C is equal to 2x, the quantity squared, divided by the concentration of the nitrogen times the oxygen. And I went ahead and worked this out, squaring this term and rearranging, then algebraically dividing by 4 and taking the square root. Some people told me they just took the square root of this quantity and ended up solving for 2x, which saved them one step because the equilibrium concentration is 2x. I solved for x, got 5.7 times 10 to the negative 18th molar, so 2x is 1.1 times 10 to the negative 17th molar. So however you worked through your algebra, as long as you did correct math, you get the same correct answer. Yes. Right. So you have to do the math one way or the other. It doesn't matter really what order you do it in, and that's really what was different. All right. Do you have any questions at this point? Okay. This is a really hard problem for you. Now, when I think about problems, I think about clothing and how you feel when you're casual versus being real fancy. So the problems that we've done, the first ones we introduced you could do in your jeans, okay? Then we did one that was a little bit harder where you had the 2x and the squaring everything. So that's maybe you're wearing a dress or a shirt and tie. Then the next level is cocktail dress and a suit. Then evening gown, a tuxedo. This problem is a black tie wedding. Okay? It's fancy. There's a lot of stuff you have to do in here. So what I'd like you to do is to get in your groups and just talk to each other. Put your pencils down, read through the problem, and talk to each other and come up with a plan. I'm going to set the timer for 4 minutes while you come up with a plan.